it's Krisha again, and for today's video, we'll be talking about the most asked questions. It's about hostels, PGs, where to live near your college, and all of that. This will be more of LSR specific because I live near the campus, so I'd be better at telling what is around my campus and LSR instead of other colleges. So I'll be telling you guys about that, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, congratulations to everyone who got into their colleges, and if you got into LSR, I am so excited to see you guys, see you around campus. Now, the one main question that I've been receiving is that can you make a video about the PGs near LSR, or is the LSR hostel going to be open for this session? So one of the very first things that you need to know is that there hasn't been any official notification about the hostel being open. Mostly it will still remain closed because I don't think the hostel has been renovated yet. So there hasn't been any official announcement regarding that. So hostel will most likely still be closed for LSR. Considering the PG options, so there are three main areas where PGs are located, and first one is National Park, second is near Amar Colony or Lajpat Nagar, and the third one is Greater Kailash, so GK1, GK2 and things like that. So these are the three main areas which are near LSR and where you can find a PG. Now the thing with National Park is the area which is just behind LSR ka back gate. So that area is very close to the campus, like 2 minute or a 5 minute walk to the college. So mostly the National Park PGs, especially the ones which are just behind the college gate, they're very expensive. I'd say more on the pricey side. They will be around like starting only 20,000, 26,000 or something like that. When you go more inside National Park, the rent kind of decreases. It's 17,000, 15,000 or things like that. The same case with Amar Colony. Now the thing with Amar Colony and GK is a lot of my friends live in GK. Almost the entire LSR ka crowd usually lives in GK only. But the thing is, GK mein the PGs are usually cheaper, and however the walking distance I would say is a lot more considerably than National Park. So for Greater Kailash, the walking distance usually that my friends cover is like 10 minutes or something like this, whereas people from National Park or Amar Colony would perhaps take a 5 minute route. Alright, even Amar Colony I would say is a little far, not far but like 10 minutes walk or something like this. So you need to understand which PGs you want and all of that. Now I can't tell you all the specific PGs that there are. You'll have to come here and explore which PG meets your needs, and the curfew, the food, taking all of that into consideration, you need to finalize your PG, because for some people, a curfew of say 7 or 8 is really restrictive. However, most of the PGs here near LSR have a curfew of 9 to 9:30, which I'd say is pretty reasonable, because almost all the PGs that I've been to has their curfew like 9 to 9:30 and not earlier than that. It's not like it's 7 or 6, right? So these are the usual curfews for the PGs. You can see which PGs you want. Are you looking for a PG under 15,000 or say 20,000 or things like that? You can also see whether you want a double sharing or a triple sharing. But these are the three main areas where people usually take their PGs. So you need to come here and explore. Now if you want to get into the specifics of which PG to go, if you want the number of the PG owner and you don't want to travel all the way to Delhi just for booking your PG before college, so DuBuddy has launched a new student housing initiative wherein you can get the personal details of the owners and contact them, and there are a lot of videos about it. So you should go and follow their page, and yeah, and then you'll get to know a lot about PGs near LSR. And not only LSR, if you're from any other colleges, you can also get to know about PGs near that through this page. And yeah, go and check it out, link in the description. So that is one thing about the PG. For hostels, if you are someone who is watching this video and you're not from LSR, you're watching it for any other purposes, or you're from a different college, so one thing that you need to remember is that a lot of colleges have released their official notice about hostel being open for the first years. So make sure you go and check out your college's official Instagram page or the website, so that you get to know the specifics of whether the hostel will be open or not. This is what I can tell you about LSR. These are the three areas where you should look for PGs. Anything farther than that will really take a lot of time for you, because like you'll have a lot of 8:45 classes, I can say, especially in LSR. So I mean, don't take a PG that's too far, because you have to wake up early and all of that. So keep that in mind. And yeah, this is all about the PGs and the hostel facilities that will be during this time for first years. And the orientation will most probably be on 1st of August. Our college is also opening on the 1st of August. So I'm just really excited to see all of you. Please come by and say hi if you ever see me on campus. And this is all I can tell you for PGs and things like that. These are all the PGs that will be on the walkable distance wala side. If you need the specifics of the PG owners, where the PG is, their numbers, you'll have to explore a little. I'm not the best person to know about all the PGs. But yeah, there's that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. A lot of exciting vlogs coming up because college is opening soon. And I'm really excited for college because I have a lot to share with you guys, all the fun experiences of college. So there's that. And yeah, these are all the things that I had to say. So subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.